Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to destination for in-depth reviews of the finest items available online. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best leather-structured large tote bag on the market, the befen genuine leather tote bag for women. Whether you're heading to the office, traveling, or just navigating everyday life, this tote bag promises a mix of elegance, functionality, and lasting quality. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. At first glance, the befen tote is understated but undeniably classy. The cognac brown color, paired with top-grained pebbled cowhide leather, delivers that high-end, timeless look that just gets better with age. Unlike synthetic materials, this leather is designed to develop character with use, softening slightly while maintaining its strength and charm. You can tell immediately this isn't just a fashion accessory, it's an investment piece. Now let's talk structure. The bag features a smart, structured design built specifically with working professionals in mind. It includes a padded compartment that fits a 14-inch laptop, snug, safe, and secure. So whether you're a businesswoman, freelancer, or student, you'll love the way it protects your tech without sacrificing aesthetics. But this isn't just about a laptop sleeve. The bag boasts a total of 8 compartments. You get 2 magnetic buckle pockets on the outside for easy access, perfect for grabbing your phone, keys, or transit card on the fly. Inside, there are 4 functional slots and zippered sections for keeping everything from notebooks and cosmetics to pens and chargers neat and tidy. Plus, there's an additional zippered pocket on the back for items you want to keep extra secure. Dimension-wise, the bag hits a sweet spot. It measures approximately 13 inches in length, 5.1 inches in width, and 11 inches in height. That gives you enough room for papers, tablets, wallets, and daily essentials, without turning it into a bulky shoulder monster. And thanks to the 11.8-inch drop length on the handles, you can comfortably carry it either by hand or over the shoulder. Now, while the design and materials clearly scream premium, befen didn't skip on comfort or usability. The leather handles are smooth and cushioned, and the zipper opens fluidly, giving you reliable access to your belongings. It's the kind of bag that transitions seamlessly from boardroom to brunch, from daily commute to weekend getaway. In terms of pricing, it's a steal for genuine leather in this size and quality. You're getting a long-lasting, chic, highly practical tote without the designer markup. It's clear that befen crafted this tote for women who want minimalist elegance without sacrificing utility. To wrap it up, the befen genuine leather tote bag checks all the boxes. Premium materials, exceptional structure, organizational features, and sleek aesthetics. If you've been on the hunt for a leather work bag that's functional yet stylish, this might just be your new favorite. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another deep dive review. See you in the next video.